Welcome to the import of me Google Pixel 7 Pro, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and after that scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here we can see media, coloring and alarm volume panels. Just to change the volume we should hold and swipe to the left or to the right side these dots. If you wanna set down the start mode, you should use this switcher just to turn it on or turn it off. If you wanna allow the calls, notifications, and just from people apps, you should just do it by this way. We can set also here the schedule for the done start mode, the start and time, the days. If you wanna use change the duration for quick settings, we can make it here, and to display options for hide the notifications settings, we can just do it in this section. Just to change the phone ringtone, we should make it here. To use the live caption, so we should use this watcher. Also we have here the now playing mode here, so just to use it we should just identify songs which playing nearby, so we should use this watcher, but be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or another mobile data. Also, if you want to change the media player settings, so we can pin media player here, and we can show also the media recommendations. We can also here change the notification alarm sounds and vibration and haptics settings here, so we can use them. We can turn it off to change the ring vibration, notification, alarm vibration, and touch and haptics just levels here. So if you wanna turn on or turn off the dial button, screen lock, unlock sound, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, so we should use also the switchers. We should click on each of the switcher, and to show icon in vibration mode, so we should also use the switcher. So that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our Google Pixel 7 Pro. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.